Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at a property here in the neighborhood of El Tesoro in El Poblado. Now this apartment is located steps away from the shopping mall of El Tesoro. If you know Medellin, you know this area is an exclusive residential area. And let's take a look at the property. So as soon as we walk in, you'll see space and the high ceilings. This is an apartment that has 205 square meters. Here is the kitchen, which was fully remodeled, by the way, the apartment in 2023. We're now in 2026, so just 3 years ago, and that does include electrical and plumbing systems as well. And here is what we would call the maid's quarter and the maid's bathroom. Nowadays you can gut that out and kind of remodel it into more storage space for the kitchen, maybe more storage space for the washer, you know, a pantry or something. You know, you can be creative as you would like. And we'll step outside to the living area. Now this is a 4-bedroom apartment with 3.5 bathrooms total. Here's actually the half bath, and 2 bedrooms. Both 2 bedrooms have an ensuite bathroom, whereas the other 2 bedrooms, they share a full bathroom. And you have the living area, and then you have a separate lounge area, so you have a lot of space to work with. And this property is ideal for families. I think if you do rentals and you target families that are traveling through South America, or at least Colombia, coming down to Medellin, this property has a lot of space to offer to these families. This is one of the full bathrooms that I was talking about that shares for the guest bedrooms. And I love the high ceilings. I love what they did with this property. Now the HOA is 1,200,000 pesos, which is about $320 US on today's exchange rate. We got a view here of, you know, other residential units. The other side of this apartment looks towards El Tesoro Mall, and it's like a 10-minute walk. Yes, El Tesoro is a little hilly. You'll see El Tesoro right there in that window. Yes, it's a little hilly, as I was saying, but it's a 10-minute walk. It's nothing brutal. I did it myself. It's an easy walk. I walked from El Tesoro to this unit, and it was a very easy walk, as I say. So I'll let you guys finish watching the rest of this property. We're going to enter the master bedroom, where it has its master bathroom and it has its own little small balcony. And then we'll go look at where this property is exactly on the map. So enjoy. This is our website, MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. This is the listing to the property that we looked at. The link is down below in the description. So if you want to take a look at all the details about this property, go ahead and click on that link. Now, looking at the location, like I said, it's in El Tesoro. So I'll go over here to Google Maps. Now we're looking at an overview of El Poblado. Let me just zoom out just a little bit here. So we're looking at an overview, right? You have Provenza and Calle 10 over here where I'm hovering over with my cursor. El Tesoro right here to the right of it. And I'll zoom in just a little. And this yellow area down here below, where it keeps popping up the restaurants, is the shopping mall El Tesoro, el Centro Comercial El Tesoro. And the property is located, the unit's located right here on Calle 2. So it's 10 minutes walking to the shopping mall of El Tesoro. You also have Amsterdam Plaza, a little bit further distance when it comes in terms of walking, but an easy Uber ride there, probably 5 minutes, and not very expensive either. So if you know El Tesoro, you know this area, you know it's safe. It's an exclusive residential area, so it's great for families if you're, you know, have a family that's growing and you need extra space. Or if you rent out properties and you target families that travel, you know that they're going to be in a safe area, especially being in El Tesoro. So if you're interested in this property and you're ready to buy in 30 days, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description, and someone on the team will reach out to you. I'll see you guys on the next video.